Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Today we're going to be doing the last problem in the plugin method series, and I asked you to solve this problem in the last video. I hope you were able to solve it. If not, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Let's take a look at the question. H is equal to negative 4.9 t square plus 25t. The equation above expresses the approximate height h in meters of a ball t seconds after it is launched vertically upward from the ground with an initial velocity of 25 meters per second. After approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? They've given us a relation between the height of the ball after it's launched and the time after it is launched. And we need to find the time after which it hits the ground. Now, at the ground, the height of the ball above the ground is going to be 0. Since it's touching the ground, h is going to be equal to 0. So we can write the equation as so. Let me just get up all this. The height is going to be 0. So we're going to get 0 is equal to negative 4.9 t square plus 25t. We're going to take the negative 4.9 t square to the other side, and we're going to get the equation 4.9 t square is equals to 25t. We're going to cancel t on both sides. We're going to divide both sides by t, and we're going to take the 4.9 to the other side to get t is equals to 25 by 4.9. Now, if you look at the question, they say approximately how many seconds, which means the answer is not exact. We need to round off. So 4.9 for all intents and purposes is 5. So you can basically write this as approximately equal to 25 by 5, which is 5. And wouldn't you know it, option D is 5. So we're going to mark option D as our answer, since the answer is only approximate and not an exact answer. That is the end of the plugin methods series, and next we're going to be moving on to ratios and proportions. I'll see you in the next video.